iCCMA ithi ixakekile njengoko uninzi lwabasebenzi lufaka izikhalazo zokugxothwa kungakhange kulandelwe inkqubo esemthethweni, kuquka nezinye izikhalazo eziphathelene nemisebenzi nangona kukho inkqubo yokumiswa ngxii kweentshukumo kweli. Ubukhulu becala ngabasebenzi abancedisa emakhaya abangena bephuma kwezi-ofisi ze-CCMA njengoko inani labantu abafake izikhalazo lifikelele kwi-43,000 ukuzokuthi ga ngoku.
Ama-ofisi e-CCMA ezweni lonke avaliwe ngalesikhathi samanje, kodwa ukufaka kwezikhalo kona kuvaliwe.
We were receiving about 5,000 cases or so purely on unfair dismissals during lockdown.
Iningi lezikhalo lifakwe ngabasebenzi basezindlini.
There's about 43,000 of employees who are domestic workers who lost employment, and they were trying to apply to us to set those matters down and say they were waiting for a lockdown. I then told my team to contact them that we can receive all application referrals, but we cannot set them down in April.
Abasebenzi bakhala ngokubanjelwa imiholo.
Another cluster of disputes, which is growing seriously because we know because they're trying to contact us, it's those who have not been paid, those whose salaries have been deducted, and those who are purely told not to work, and those that are forced to take leave. Those type of disputes also are waiting for lockdown.
Kulindeleke ukuthi senyuke kakhulu isibalo sezikhalo ezifaka ngabasebenzi uma izinto seziqala ukubuyela kwisimo esijwayelekile ezweni ngenyanga ezayo. Mbongeni Muthwa, SABC eGoli.